Oh my god, guys, we're gonna swim tonight. We're gonna swim on the beach, man. It's so cold right now. Ooh, shit. It's the coldest night I've been in Hawaii. Oh my god. We're gonna swim. Look at that beautiful sea. Oh shit. Good morning, guys. How are you guys today? Anyways, right now we're in Hawaii, Maui. We're at the beach.
Hawaii, Maui.
But yeah, today is just a pretty chill day. Just gonna spend some time at the beach and just relax. So I decided to do some Q&A to answer some of you guys' questions that you've been asking me many times. But yeah. Anyways, also if you guys have any other questions after watching this video, make sure you guys feel free to ask. It's kind of windy right now, but yeah, check it out, guys. Check out the view. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna randomly just answer some questions. I wrote some questions down last night, so yeah, I'll be answering those. He's my boy.
We're doing for Instagram size.
Alright, guys, so the first question that I've been asked the most is, what camera do I use? And I just use a Canon 5D Mark IV with a lens of 24 to 70 millimeters, f2.8. Yeah, that's what I use. And for the mic, I just use the Rode Video Mic Pro Plus. Yeah, that's what I use mainly. I also have 3 other lenses: the Nifty 50 millimeter 1.8, and then the 70 to 200 2.8, and then the 100 macro. So, but I hardly use those. The only one I use is the 24 to 70, which is what I'm using right now to record this. So yeah, pretty much 95% of the time I use the 24 to 70, and my camera body is again 5D Mark IV. So yeah. Yeah, look that shit. Alright, guys, so the second question that I've been asked is what editing software I use, and I use Adobe Lightroom. I also have Photoshop, but I never used it, so yeah, just Adobe Lightroom. Third question I've been asked is what is it? A lot. Yeah, this question a lot of people ask. How do I afford to travel all the time? Actually, it's really simple. I just work and save and then travel. Yeah, simple as that. Just work and save and travel. Yeah. Honestly, it doesn't cost a lot to travel. A lot of people, they're just scared to take the risk, take a chance, because if you want to do it, it doesn't cost a lot, to travel. So yeah, work, save, travel. So another question is, what the fuck, bro? Where have you traveled to so far? And my answer is I've traveled all over the states, especially on the West Coast. Some on the East Coast, but all over Midwest. And I have not traveled outside of the mainland besides Hawaii. I'm here in Hawaii right now, but I am going to Asia in a week, less than a week, in a few days. So yeah, basically just the mainland all over, and then Hawaii. So yeah. Alright, guys, so another question is what do I do for a living? Like, how do I make money? Like I told you guys before, I just work and save and travel. But I had many odd jobs before. Like I used to be a cashier at a fast food restaurant at Hardee's specifically, and I used to work at like phone shops. Like I was a salesman for DirecTV and Boost Mobile, and I used to be a package handler at FedEx. And my last job that I left was community liaison, which is like a social work kind of type. Yeah. So yep. Another really good question I've been asked is, do I make money traveling? Honestly, I wish I do, but I don't. But hopefully down the road. But before, I've just been doing like weddings and stuff like that in the past. But making money to travel, not yet. But that's my goal. So yeah, hopefully 5 years down the road, you know, something happens and you know I make money traveling. So yeah, not yet, soon, later. Alright guys, so the next question is a really good question. It's how did I get started with photography and filming and everything, you know, traveling and vlogging. I don't remember the exact dates or day, but I remember it was back in high school. I took theater and IB film. I really fell in love with it, with acting, and then I fell in love with making films. I remember I shot my final project for my IB film class with a phone. It's actually the first video I posted it on YouTube. You guys can go check it out. It's called Love Language. It's just a remake from one of the video from Jubilee Project back then. But yeah, go check it out if you guys haven't already. It's just a little short film. And yeah, I remember my junior year I took photography 1 or 2, and I remember it required a camera, so my mom bought me a camera. My first camera was a T3i Rebel, Canon Rebel T3i, and I picked it up and I messed around with it, and I just been taking pictures ever since. I just been making random videos and stuff like that. So till today I've been shooting and making stuff, random stuff. So yeah, pretty cool, I guess. Next question, somebody asked me, what do I see myself in 5 years, or what is my ultimate life goal? Honestly, I just want to make films, just want to make movies, films, you know, music video. I'm probably still gonna be vlogging within 5 years. I feel like I want to be vlogging forever if possible, you know, if it's a thing still by 5 years or within 10 years I'm still gonna be vlogging. I don't know, I think it's raw and it's good, and I can get better and more comfortable talking to the cameras, you know, and it may take me many years to, you know, get better. So yeah, I'm gonna keep doing it. I feel like within 5 years I'm gonna keep vlogging, but on top of that I want to make films, I want to make movies, I want to shoot music videos, you know, weddings, stuff like that. I just want to create a bunch of contents that can inspire others and, you know, motivate others, inspire others to be better, do better in life. So yeah, I guess that's my goal, and hopefully I make money doing that down the road within 5 years, hopefully. So yeah. Alright guys, so next question is why naked butt, you know? So basically these pictures, why do I do it? Why do I take those kind of pictures? Honestly, I don't know. I don't have a really valid reason, or a reason that can actually, I don't know, make a difference. I guess I don't have any reason for it. I just wanted to, you know, in life, what I've learned is just gotta loosen up, let go, you know, don't be afraid. And you know, just because I wanted to take those pictures, I don't have any reason for it, just because I wanted to. So I took it, you know, that's life. You want to do something, do it. You know, don't have to care about what others think, you know, other opinions. You know, if it's negative on you, it doesn't matter. Alright, so yeah, just do you. So somebody asked me, what is the most beautiful thing in my life? Honestly, there's a lot of beautiful things in my life, but one of the very most beautiful thing is my girlfriend, actually. Yep, she's the most beautiful thing in my eyes. Actually better than Hawaii, honestly. So yeah, and others might have different opinions about that, you know. You might disagree with me on that one, but that's okay. It's in my eyes, my perspective. So yeah, really, it's true. Alright guys, so next question is when will I be returning to Iowa? Honestly, I don't know. I'm in Hawaii right now. I just don't know when I'll be going back, because I'm gonna be traveling later, soon and later, so I don't even know what's after later. But yeah, whenever I decide to go back to Iowa, I'll go back, but not anytime soon. I don't think so. No, I don't like that place. The next question is will I be going back to Thailand? Yes, of course. I'm leaving in 3 days. In 3 days I'll be going to Thailand. So yep, good question, but my answer was boring. So sorry, but yeah, I'm going back, and we're gonna be traveling to more countries after I go back to Thailand and Burma. So yeah. Alright guys, I hope that answers some of you guys' question. I can't answer all the questions because I don't want to make it too long, but yeah, if you have any other questions, just let me know. I'll write them down and keep it so I can do another one later down the road. Okay, so yeah, if you guys like that video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and peace out. See you in the next video.